on the petition filed by citizens for Sonsodo and the Goa Foundation concerning the Sonsodo garbage dump. We have asked the court for directions for removal of the entire dump before the following monsoon. And our main relief is that we have asked for very severe compensation to be paid to the citizens in terms of polluter pays principle because of the fire that took place for over 10 days from 27th of May till the 7th or 8th of June, which has been proved by the research of the Pollution Control Board. We have also asked the court for interim stay on the municipality, prohibiting them from dumping further unsegregated or segregated waste at the Sonsodo dump site. So the court said that they would consider that next week. So the matter has been put for Wednesday next week.